Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will explain to you how to find MS, PhD and postdoctoral positions in South Korea. Mostly people search positions by going or visiting the individual websites of professors, and there is no information about the open positions on their portals. So I am here with two important and most of the people do not know about these two websites. These two websites are very less known among the foreigners, and generally students outside South Korea do not know about these websites. So I will explain to you these two websites one by one, and I will take you to the from the initial to the final position that you can apply, and you can search by your own the open position for master, postdoc or PhD. So let's start. First of all, I will discuss some important points which you must consider before going to these websites, because there are some prerequisites for these. And what are the prerequisites? I suggest you to please watch this video until the end, because when I will go to these two websites, I will explain one by one and how to get the complete information. Generally, when we visit these websites, we cannot see the contacts or the email IDs of professors or the further detail about the lab or the research area. So please watch this video until the end and I will explain to you in detail. So let's start with the important points. There are some prerequisites for it. What you need to install before going to this website, because generally we use Internet Explorer, but sometimes it doesn't work efficiently. So for this we use Google Chrome. Why we use Google Chrome? Because of some advanced extensions or features of this browser. So after installing Google Chrome, you should install some extensions to Google Chrome. Why? Because we want to see the further details in each position or each link. So what are the extension you need? These are Google Translator or Google Translate. I will share the link in the description of this video, so you can directly click on that link and install or add this extension to your Google Chrome, and you can easily use anytime, anywhere, for any language. And the next one is IE tab. It means by using Google Chrome, you can still search or you can open websites in Internet Explorer. You will be in Google Chrome, but you will have all the features which Internet Explorer has. So what these websites are about, I will explain the major areas about which you can find the open positions. Generally these websites advertise from every field, but some of fields are very common on these websites, and generally professors from these fields post their open positions on these websites, which is material engineering, chemical engineering, environmental engineering or sciences, and agriculture engineering. Further, you can search by your own if you are in engineering field, and in the natural sciences they post from the chemistry, physics, biology, biotechnology, which is also the subfield of biology, and the pharmacy. So about these maybe 5 or 6 or even 10 fields or majors, the professors commonly post the open positions in these websites. So let's go to each website and explain to you how it works or how you can search by using these websites. So we will go to the website. So the first website which I am going to explain is ibric.org, or you can say ibric.org. So this is majorly related to bio jobs, but you can find other jobs as well. Jobs mean MS, PhD position, researcher position, postdoctoral position, or industrial jobs, or further any job which is related to biofield or biology or biotechnology, but not limited to the biology. They also post some jobs or openings from other fields. Now you can see why I asked you to install Google Chrome and some extensions, because these websites are in Korean. So how we can use when we do not know anything about the Korean language, or we cannot read Korean language, then what we will do? Like I can show you, there is everything in Korean. So here is the Google Translator or Google Translate. I will click on this and this will appear here, and I will translate it into English. After translating, I will go to this main menu. Still you cannot find anything about the open positions, right? So I will click on this menu and I will directly go to bio jobs and recruitment, graduate student recruitment. Okay, further you can explore these everything about the biology, agriculture, or anything else. So I'm going to explain the basic concept about this website. So I will click on graduate student recruitment, and the list of open position will appear here. So you can see the deadline about this position. So here you will see the degree level, and then here is the major. So again it is in Korean, so I will click translator, translate this page. Sometimes you have to wait for the translation, sometimes it appears immediately. So you can see here is the molecular biology laboratory and Sungkon Kwang University School of Medicine. Professors or advisors name, master, doctor, or integration. Integration mean combined degree, which is master and doctoral. And the last date is August 31st. So again you can see other universities, departments from clinical or pharmacy. You can see medicine, biomedical, nanobiomedical, or further you can explore this website for your own major or field what you want to actually study here. So I am showing you the list which is latest. This is actually by default the latest will appear fast, and then the further it will go down to the maybe the very last post or very first post. And you can see here are some pages you can open further. Even you can go to page number 5. So I go to page number 5. Let's see what is okay, 31st July is the last date, and it is Department of Molecular Medicine, Eva Women's University. Okay, so here I'm going to open this position. So I will explain how you can search, or how. Here is the website for this lab or this professor. Here is the email ID of the professor and the fields. Okay, again it is in Korean, or you can go directly to this website or translate this here. You can translate it here and read about the major fields. It will appear little bit different in translation. You can study the field or research areas and the further requirements and the degree programs, tuition fees, scholarship, sport, everything is mentioned here, and 31st July is the last date. So if I open the website to the professor, then it is Laboratory of Molecular Oncology. Okay, here is nothing about the open position, but they have open position. So you can directly go to members, PI, principal investigator or professor, and here is the email ID of professor. You can see it will match directly to the this one. Okay, so now I will explain to you the second website. Further you can explore this website. Okay, next website is hibrain.net, hibrain.net. Okay, again it is in Korean, so we cannot see anything in English on this website. So I will translate, and I will further explain one thing to you. I am logged in this website. You have to create your login or account here, because sometimes some details are missing if you do not log into this website. So create your account or login here, and then you can access every detail about one or any open position. So I will translate this directly here in English, and still this is in Korean but something appears in English. So I will not open these things, but I will go to first tab and second tab. So this is about graduate recruitment or graduate school positions. master or PhD or postdoctoral positions. So again, this is in Korean and I will translate it. Here is the list where you can tune your searches, or you can search by your major or by region you are looking for, the Seoul or the other provinces or institution even, and there are some other options. So here is the list: recruitment of graduate students by laboratory and by university. So it is always better to go in this tab, because university hiring is little bit different thing and you need some extra or something different documents, so you can explore that all as well. But here maybe sometime they the same positions will appear here also. So I am going to give you some brief introduction about this website or how it works. Here is the application period. You can see it is from 7/20 to 8/17, mean August 17, and the registration number or something, and views, how many people are already on this position or open this position. So you can see and you can search here. So here is the Hanyang University Department of Pharmacy, Molecular Information, Health Sciences. So I explained to you which field are generally posted here or open position in the fields. So here is Korea Atomic Energy Research. It means it will be energy engineering or mechanical and chemical engineering. So I will explain or open one website or one open position which is from Korea University. So the last date is August 7. Here is something in Korean about this field, but you can see some keywords in this, MEMS or organ chip or something. So you can understand if you are from this same field what they are doing, because I'm not from the biology field, so I cannot. And you can even go to this website which is from the same professor, or you can email to the professor. And here is detail of the major. So they are looking for general engineering, mechanical engineering, biotechnology, electrical, electronics. Maybe they are working on some smart materials or biomaterials something. So they are looking for the engineering and bio or mechanical related person. So I will go back to other position and open some other positions which is maybe related to some engineering field or not. Chemical engineering, right? So chemical engineering field is here from the Hankyong University Electrochemical Energy Storage and Conversion Lab. So you can see the requirements of the field or the lab is that if you are from these engineering fields or metal engineering or polymer engineering or even maybe materials or chemistry sciences related, then you can apply to this position. Here is the benefit and the scholarship amount is written, fee or anything is required or not, and then you need to attach these documents. Okay, so email, resume, transcripts, and etc, mean you can attach your degree, or if you have any distinction or something, or IELTS even, so you can attach. And here is the detail about the professor and email IDs. So here nothing is given about the lab, like, no, yes, here is the link for the university, actually Hankyong University. Okay, so it is not useful. You can search by this email ID, or you can directly search by the laboratory name, which is Electrochemical Energy and Conversion Laboratory at Hankyong University Chemical Engineering. So maybe you can find this website. I hope this video will help you and you can secure some master or PhD or even postdoctoral position. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for further details, and I will upload so many information related or MS PhD position related videos in future as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.